remember we've got some conjectures. This is a little bit of a tricky problem. A lot of people get it wrong. And so we need to talk about those specific things that get people in trouble and go back to our triangle shortcuts. So let me get into there. Okay, and we're going to get the pen there. Okay. Got the pen, it seems to be working. Yep. Okay, so use your new conjectures to find the missing measure. And people right away go, okay, I got to do some stuff here. Well, we got this, we know we have an angle, and we have an angle that's congruent. We don't have enough information. We don't know which sides go with what, unless you're thinking. But what I'm going to do is I want to show that these are similar. If I know these are similar, then I can do some work with them. Otherwise, I may be stuck. So I know this angle is the same as this angle because they're vertical angles. So now, if I want to, what I need to do is somehow turn or flip or rotate this triangle so it would sit in the same location as this angle, and this angle in the same location as this one. And if I do that, then I can match up the sides that are corresponding, because it's hard to tell which sides are corresponding here. So I'm going to redraw that small triangle down there like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it this way until this is looking like this. And when you do that, this is going to come down and sit right here. So I know these two angles. Now this angle corresponds with this angle corresponds with this angle, and it's easy to see that this side and this side go together, and that this side and this side go together, and this side and this side. Now we just got to make sure we transfer the information carefully. So what I do is I look at the two references I have. I have these two angles, and between double arc and the tick mark I have Y. So I know that goes here, Y. Okay, remember I rotated this so Y was up here, which means after Y, if I go back around, the next side is 18, and I have to go past the tick mark angle. So Y past the tick mark is 18. And then the only side left is 24. And if you like, Y past the double arc is 24, Y past the double arc is 24. So we've got the triangles, we've got the small triangle rotated around, and now we know what corresponds. We know that 18 and 24 are corresponding. So I'm going to use the big triangle here, 24, and 18 in the small triangle. These are key. I've got these lined up. Having these lined up is key, and that will let me get X and Y. So now I know 24 and there in the big triangle is 28, and 28 corresponds to Y. And the other one I know is that I'm going to do that over here. 24 over 18 is going to be the same as X over 24. So don't freak out. This X goes with 24. This 24 goes with 18. Okay, and we can cross multiply. So I'm going to get 24y equals 18 times 28. Divide by 24. And it turns out this is 3/4. This is 3/4. 3/4 of 28 is 21. There's my Y value. I was just double checking the answer that I simplified it right. Same thing here. I'm going to cross multiply, and I'm going to get 24 times 24, or you can write 24 squared equals 18x. Divide by 18. Divide by 18, and this becomes 4/3. So x equals 32. 4 times 24 divided by 3 is 32. And we've done the problem. And the key is this rotation, turning this triangle so that you have the angles that are congruent, matching up. So these were similar. Remember, these were similar by a triangle similarity postulate. Okay, that's it.